हेलो बच्चों, yesterday I have discussed you about rational numbers. They were of two types. One was terminating and second was non-terminating and repeating or recurring. Repeating and recurring are both same thing. It means coming again and again. Now there is one more category, that is called irrational number. Irrational number. This type of number is explained as non-terminating and non-recurring. For example of this was like 2.333 onwards, means 3 was repeating, but in this category there will be no repetition like this. For the sake of simplicity, you can understand numbers like under root 2, under root 5, it is etc. are rational numbers, irrational number. Decimal expansion of under root 2 is 1.414 onwards. For the sake of remembering, we only learn 1.414. With the help of calculator, you can find out a lot of digits will come ahead, but they will not repeat in any manner. Different digits will come. So this type of representation, decimal representation, is called the irrational number. Each time you won't get this representation. For the sake of simplicity, you can understand root any number under the radical sign whose root cannot be solved. For example, if you are taking under root 4, so this will become solved. So this is a rational number. Under root 9 will become solved. This is 3. This is also rational number. If you are taking under root 5, this is a decimal. It will not be solved fully. That's why it is a irrational number. Moreover, for the writing pattern, you can take any number of the format. This format you will have to learn for the sake of solving the questions. So if you are writing suppose 1.4 1 441 441 ... in there is a pattern in this writing. Pattern is 1 4 then 1, 2 times 4 then 1, 3 times 4 then 1. 1 is coming and repetition of 4 is coming 4 times, but as a whole no quantity is repeating. First segment looking 4 1, 441 441. In the same manner, next 4 times 4 1, 5 times 4 1. This will go up to infinity. It will go on keeping this type of representation. Moreover, you can write 2.01 001 4 times 0 1 ... These are also irrational numbers. One more thing, there is a quantity called pi. Generally, we remember the value of pi is equal to 20/7. 20/7 is this quantity is rational, but itself pi, that is equal to 3.14159 onwards. With the help of calculator you can also, or in the books it would be given, but if you divide 22/7, 2-3 steps will follow from here, but later on this will different, because this will give you this category, non-terminating recurring. By the division of 7, there is one question you exercise, repetition will follow with the certain interval that comes again and again with the help when you divide by 7. So this is somehow it is equal up to certain limit. but exactly pi itself, value of pi is different, 3.14, 159, etc. This is irrational quantity. If you have been asked the question whether the given numbers are rational or irrational, simply you will observe whether the radical sign is being solved or not. For example, suppose I am giving you the quantity 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. In in this given question situation, it is looking root quantity is existing which is not solvable, means giving this format, this type of format. But on the solving solution, what you are observing, this format is looking a plus b and I minus b. A plus b and a minus b is a formula that becomes a square minus b square. So this formula can be applied here. So a is 2, b is root 3. This is 2 square minus under root 3 square. It means 2 to the 4 minus 3. A square of any root quantity is that number without root. 4 minus 3 is 1. After simplification, this is solving to 1. 1 is a rational number. Then ultimately you will have to solve whether the expression is after solution it is a rational or irrational. You will observe only then. There is one more thing, rationalization. There is a rationalizing factor. In a short form, it is also called RF. If quantity is given under root a plus under root b type, or f of under root a plus under root b is equal to under root a minus under root b. In the same manner, sign will be changed. Quantity will remain the similar, sign will be changed. If minus is here, then plus will become here. The questions would be like this. Suppose you have been given 1 upon 2 plus under root 3. Question will be rationalize the denominator. Denominator means this quantity. You have to rationalize. For the sake of rationalization means no existence of this quantity. This should be a rational number. You will have to multiply this by the rational RF or rationalizing factor of this quantity. This is 2 plus root 3. Rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. That's equal to, numerator will multiply as it is, normal process of multiplication. But in the denominator, what you are observing, it is again a plus b, a minus b, as here. The same thing is coming. This will become 2 square minus under root 3 square. 2 minus under root 3 upon 4 minus 3, that is equal to 2 minus under root 3 upon 1, that is equal to 2 minus under root 3. This is the answer. In this type of questions, you will simply rationalize. Numerator can also be asked for rationalization, denominator can also be asked for rationalization, or this process of rationalization will be used in many places according to the situation. You will have to understand. Today's explanation you can solve left questions of exercise 1.3 and basically exercise 1.5. This will be your homework. I am skipping exercise 1.4 because that is a classroom activity and it will be explained when your classes will be resumed. So concentrate on the topic discussed today and solve exercise 1.5. Thank you.